Most people think the AI revolution is coming for their jobs. They're wrong. It's coming for their salaries. In the UK, $7,000 a month is considered a dream income. It's the kind of money that buys you freedom, status, and a life without price tag anxiety. Usually, this requires a decade of experience or a master's degree. But in 2026, all it requires is a specific way of talking to one machine, Claude. While the masses are using AI to write mediocre emails, a small group of new-age architects are using Claude to build 7K per month service businesses from their bedrooms. No coding background, no expensive office, just pure leverage. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 most lucrative Claude-driven services you can start tonight. And trust me, number 4 is a hidden niche that companies are currently desperate to pay for. First up, AI safety and prompt auditing. Large companies are terrified of AI hallucinations. They're scared their chatbots will give bad advice or leak data. They don't need more prompts, they need security. Claude is statistically superior at reasoning and nuance compared to other models. You can offer a service where you stress test a company's internal AI tools. You use Claude's advanced logical capabilities to find loopholes in their prompts and fix them. One audit can easily cost $1,500. Secure just one client a week, and you're already hitting that $6,000 to $7,000 mark. You aren't a writer anymore. You're an AI risk consultant. Service number 2, technical translation for legacy industries. There are thousands of traditional businesses, construction firms, legal practices, manufacturing plants that have mountains of old data and complex manuals. Claude has a massive context window, meaning it can read entire books or technical docs in seconds. Your job, take their complex, boring documentation and turn it into interactive, easy-to-follow digital training modules or automated wikis. These old-school businesses have the budget, but they don't have the tech savviness. You are the bridge. Charging a $2,000 setup fee for a bespoke knowledge base is standard. Do 3 of these a month and you've cleared the 7K target. This is where the big money hides: low-code automation. Every business wants to automate their workflow, but they don't want to hire a software engineer for $150,000 a year. Claude 3.5 and 3.7 are masters at writing Python scripts and integrating with tools like Zapier or Make.com. You don't need to be a coder, you just need to be a logic designer. You use Claude to write the scripts that connect a client's CRM to their email, their sales leads to their calendar. You're selling time. If you save a business owner 10 hours a week, they will gladly pay you a $2,500 monthly retainer to manage and optimize those systems. 3 clients, that's it. You're at $7,500. Number 4 is the most underrated: SOP, Standard Operating Procedure Engineering. Scalable businesses bleed money because their processes aren't documented. It's messy. You can go to any growing agency and say, "I will turn your messy Slack conversations and Zoom calls into a perfect step-by-step operating manual." Claude is incredible at taking unstructured data, like a transcript of a meeting, and turning it into a professional, high-level business document. Agencies pay a premium for organization because it allows them to hire cheaper staff. You are selling scalability. One SOP package can go for $3,000. It's high value, high demand, and extremely low competition. Finally, personalized content systems. Not just writing blogs, anyone can do that. I'm talking about building a system that takes a CEO's raw thoughts and turns them into a month's worth of LinkedIn authority posts, newsletters, and X threads that actually sound human. Claude's Projects feature allows you to upload a person's previous writing style so it never sounds like a robot. You're selling a personal brand engine. In the UK and US, ghostwriting for founders is a multi-million-dollar industry. A single high-ticket client will pay $3K to $5K a month just for you to be their voice. Now, here's the truth most AI gurus won't tell you. Claude is the tool, but you are the architect. The $7,000 doesn't come from the software, it comes from your ability to solve a specific, painful problem for someone with a big budget. Don't sell AI services. Sell increased profit, saved time, or reduced risk. That is how you command the 7K salary without ever showing a degree. The window for this AI gold rush is wide open right now, but it won't stay this way forever. In a few years, these services will be crowded, but the people who act in 2026, they are the ones who will own the market. Now, I know this was a lot to take in. If you want a deep dive, step-by-step tutorial on any one of these 5 methods, showing you exactly how to set up the system and land your first client, I need to know you're serious. If we get enough interest, I'll drop a full masterclass on the most requested niche. So, comment guide below and tell me which service you want me to break down next. Stop being a spectator in the AI era. Start building. The rest of the world will just watch, but you're just getting started. I'll see you in the next one.